Today we will see the topic is Bayesian network in machine learning. Here we will discuss the introduction of Bayesian network and one examples for the Bayesian network. First, the Bayesian network, which is a part of directed graph in PGMs. The PGM means the probabilistic graphical models. So it is also known as a belief network, also called the student network, which relies on a directed graph. It is defined for a rule for finding out the probability of an event given that another event already happened. So the Bayesian network means how to define the Bayesian network for a rule for finding out the probability of an event given that another event already happened. That is the thing in the Bayesian network. Here consider the diagram for probabilities. Here two set of events is happen. One is A, another one is the B. B one event slash another event. Here we can isolate the probability of B given A on probability of A given B and the compute for simple probabilities. It is a very simple and important Bayes' theorem problem for calculating the probabilities. It is the one diagrams. Here probability of A by B equal to B of B by A into B of A by B of B into B of B by A equal to B of A by B into B of B divided by probability of A. The simple probabilities. Next, the Bayes network is a structure that can be represented as a direct acyclic graph. It allows a compact representation of the distribution from the chain rule of Bayes networks. Okay, it is the directed acyclic graph. It observes conditional independence relationship between random variables. So here we consider the independence relationship between our random variables. Here DAG is a finite directed graph with no directed cycle. The DAG means the directed acyclic graph. Here we see the one example of Bayes network. Here we consider the GFBO. This is the random variables. There are 4 random variables in the example diagram. GFBO. Here G is the genes, for 0 is for bad grade and 1 is for good grade, as well as in full it's represented by F variable. Here 0 is for no and 1 for yes is the random grade. We take a grade in bad, okay and brilliant. Here we consider 3 state. Then we check the performance in bad, okay and brilliant in the spot or no spot. Here see the table. Gene G is the good or bad. Their probabilities 0.2 and 0.8. The same way in pool F, yes or no. Here the probability also yes mean the 0.2 value probability. No mean the probability is 0.8. Here the edges in the graph encoded in the dependency in the graph. The G variable depends on the good and bad and the form in full yes and no. So the random variable depends the two status. One is the good and bad is G variable. Yes or no for the F variables. The gene in turn determines whether the genes are good or bad with full form in yes or no. The direction of arrows tell us about affect relationship performs affect the final probability score. Finally, let us look at the table associated with each of the nodes. Formally, these are called conditional probability distribution. That's represented by CPTs. That's the conditional probability distributions. The conditional probability distributions from the example diagrams, the conditions G is good, F is good. The both random variables are good. See the grade bad, okay, brilliant. We have 3 level of grades. Here the first both variables are good status mean the bad is 0.5 probability, the okay mean 0.3, brilliant state is 0.2. So totally the probability value is the 1. Sum of the probability is 1. Next conditions, G variable is the good, F variable is the bad. Here bad probability is 0.8, okay level is 0.15, brilliant level is 0.05. The third condition is bad gene, good fold. So here the bad also same probability 0.8, the okay grade is 0.1 probability, the brilliant value also 0.1. The last conditions, it's the conditional probabilities, the last condition is bad gene, bad fold. Both variables in the bad state. So the probability is 0.9, okay value 0.08, the brilliant value is 0.02. This is the conditional probability for the above example diagram. Here the conditional probability distribution for genes and form are simple because these variables do not depend on any of other variables. The G and F variables very simple. It's not depend of any other variables. So basically the table encodes the probability of these variables. As you might have noticed, the value in each of the table must sum to 1. So these 4 conditions, the sum of values, the probability value is the 1. Here also 0.5 plus 0.3 plus 0.2 equal to 1. The last condition also 0.9 plus 0.08 plus 0.02. The sum of the value is 1. Next, the conditional probability for O encodes the conditional probabilities. Here the equation is probability P of probability O modulus conditional probability equal to P. The CPT for P is easy to understand because it has 2 parents. The conditional probabilities will be the form of probability B into genes equal to G, form equal to F. That is, what is the probability of beginning B? Each row now correspond to pair of values of genes and form. Again, the row values added up to 1. An essential requirement of Bayesian network is that the graph must be directed as a cyclic graph. That's the TAG. So here the row value up to 1. The essential requirement of Bayesian network, that is graph, must be TAG. Here see the probability O. The condition bad for form, okay, brilliant. 3 level already we discussed. Here no spot and spot given. The no spot mean the value of probability O is 0.95. The spot given is 0.05. Then second grade, okay, the no spot 0.8, spot given is 0.2. The brilliant state, both are equal, the 0.5 and the 0.5. Here's the working conditions. Each node in the Bayes network will have a CPD associated with it. If the nodes has parents, the associated conditional probability distribution represent P. That's the value plus the present value. In case we have 2 type of parents, one is the G and one is the F. If node has no parents, the CPD represent P, that's the value, the unconditional probability of the value. So here consider the node has parents mean this, how to represent the CPD. If a node has no parents mean the CPD represent the unconditional probability values. So here we see the we learn about the Bayesian networks and the Bayesian networks with the example and conditional probabilities. How is the CPD related to the applied to the Bayes network? Here some applications of Bayesian networks. One is the gene regularity networks. Another application is the document classifications. Then medicine, biomonitoring, semantic search, spam filter, system biology. The above got is image processing and data retrieval. This is the some field of applications using various networks. Thank you.